Easter is just around the corner, and as a Jamaican, the Easter bun is a must on the menu. What do you prefer your bun with? Cheese, butter, or some pear? I I like mine with some pear. Don't judge me. Let's get into this recipe. Here I have some malta. I'm going to add some brown sugar. You can use Guinness or some dragon stout if you prefer, but I'm going with malta today. Then some guava jam, some browning. Now I'm adding some molasses. It is stuck to my spoon. I'm just mixing it around to get it off. Add some vanilla, melted butter, add some blending fruits. I had these fruits soaking in rum and wine. Let's just give this a whisk. Give it a good mix just to make sure all the ingredients are dissolved. I am using just one egg. Add some lime zest. This will cut the rawness of the egg. I love using lime or lemon zest whenever I bake. Let's add the egg to our wet ingredients. Mix it together. Now we're going to work on the dry ingredients. To my bowl of flour, I'm adding cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and some salt. Whisking everything together. Now I'm adding baking powder, a little baking soda, combine, add some mixed fruit peels, some chopped cherries, raisins, and mix everything together. Now let's add the wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Slowly I am pouring in the wet ingredients and I just keep stirring as I do so. ensuring that I mix everything out. And this is the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick and not too runny. I have my baking dish greased with butter, so I'm pouring in the batter. Make sure to get everything out. Get it off my spoon also. I am not wasting anything. I have to get every bit in my baking dish. Let me just clean up my mess. On top, I'm adding some more raisins, mixed peels, and cherries. I am just spreading them all over. And into the oven, this goes at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and 10 minutes. Just before it's time to remove the bun from the oven, I start working on the glaze. I have unsalted butter, honey, and some guava jam in my saucepan, and I'm just going to melt everything together. Just keep mixing everything together. We don't want any of that jam pieces in there. Everything has to be smooth. The glaze is ready. And our bun is ready also. Mine is a little burnt because I kind of forget it in the oven. I was cooking also. The edges are very crisp, but that's okay. Now let's add the glaze all over the bun while it's still warm. Look how beautiful this looks. I went ahead and sliced the bun. Look how delicious it looks. The exact measurements are in the description box below, so check them out and you can make your own Easter bun this Easter. If you're looking for the yeast version of this recipe, that video is coming soon. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you do enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.